Hey guys, just got out to the shop and I have a project that I'm working on. Two projects actually. I'm just going to show you the first one in this video. But these are Fortnite wall art pieces that we're making on the CNC. It's something I told my kids I would make for them because they're fans of the game Fortnite. So we're going to be making Omega in this one, and I'm doing this on an 11-inch by 14-inch piece of half-inch MDF. And it'll carve out, paint it black, and then go from there. Okay, so you just watched the clearing pass. That was with an 1/8-inch bit, and it cleared out the majority of the flat parts of the material. Now I'm going to run a 60-degree V-bit that will add most of the detail, well, actually all the detail in to the main pattern, and then after that we'll do an outer perimeter cut that'll go completely through. Okay, so it's the next day. I came out here to see how the paint did. It's dry now, as you can see. So I'm going to sand that down, get a little bit of video of that, and then we'll see how it turned out, and I'll put a clear coat on it. Okay guys, so there it is, all done. I think when we do the next one, which is Raven, I think I'm going to try painting the recess spaces with like an acrylic paint or something instead of spraying the whole thing, because man, it was a pain in the butt to get the paint off of the top layer. So we'll see how the next one goes. This one went okay, but it could have been better. So thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next video.